Hello, 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 love. My name is Jonathan Singer. You're watching my nappy roots, and if you got a little time, you might as well stick around. Hey, love. So I am back from my overnight deep condition with my new favorite conditioner, the Creme of Nature Argan Oil Intensive Conditioning Treatment. I did an overnight deep condition, and I'm going to show you and myself what's going on under here. I can feel all the moisture on my head. It was kind of dripping down my neck, so I kind of had an idea of what was going on. So let's see. Already my hair feels like butter just from taking that down. Wow. And all my new growth, you see all that new growth, it's like up to here with new growth. All of that is butter soft, and it's going to be so easy to flat iron all of that. And my edges that I always complain about because they're so thick are laid right down. The main ingredient in this new conditioner is glycerin, and we all know that glycerin attracts moisture and water to itself, and that moisture will lay down, smooth out, soften hair and new growth to the point of butter. I am currently 11 weeks post relaxer, and normally this part of my head is the most coarse and the most dense with new growth. But as you can see, I'm having no trouble getting my fingers through there. It's amazing. I will definitely be incorporating this Creme of Nature Argan Oil Conditioner into my regimen. I think that this will be great for anyone who is transitioning, because it would help with the detangling process. It would help to soften all the new growth, as well as keep the relaxed hair moisturized, all of that. I think it would be great for naturals as well, because naturals complain a lot about having dry hair, as well as relaxed people do, but I hear it more with naturals that their hair is dry a lot. This definitely will help with that moisture retention. I did this overnight because I know that the longer I do it, the more moisturized my hair will be. You see all of that moisture. But I could have also done this under a hooded dryer for 15 minutes, or could have just put on my plastic cap for 15 minutes. So last night what I did was, as I shampooed my hair with the Creme of Nature Argan Oil shampoo, and I conditioned in the shower, I washed that out, and then I came back and did a deep condition because my hair was dry because it was in a bun for a week and a half. I had been kind of neglecting it, and the good thing about neglecting your hair for extended periods of time like that, I had been wearing a bun since Thanksgiving, taking it out once a week and a half, and we'll wash it, detangle it, and put it back in the bun. The good thing about that is I already have growth. My hair is already longer from that month process, so it's an amazing thing to do no heat and protective styles and all of that good stuff. So I am going to rinse out this conditioner, and I'm going to come back later on and do a full review on my Creme of Nature Argan Oil products. So what I have is, I have the shampoo, the conditioner, I have the wrap foam, and I have the gloss polish that I'm going to be using as a heat protectant and as a finishing shine. So I'm going to do a full review on those products, and I haven't used those yet. I haven't used the wrap foam or the gloss polish yet, but I'm very excited to do that. So I will be back with that, so stay tuned for Nappy Roots, because there is always much more on the way. Bye.
friend. How has it been? It's wonderful. You got a friend. A friend. How has it been? It's wonderful.